Hi my fellow beauty boffins. Our incredible aquatic pure fish hydrolysed collagen is your premium solution for youthful radiant skin. What sets it apart? Unique selling point number 1, sustainably sourced fish collagen. Our fish collagen is derived from freshwater farmed fish, ensuring environmental responsibility and purity. Number 2, Type 1 collagen excellence provides the highest quality Type 1 collagen essential for skin elasticity, hydration, fine lines, wrinkles, hair strength, and nail fortification. Number 3, highest bioavailability in class. Our pure fish collagen has the lowest molecular weight out of all other collagens in the marketplace, allowing for superior bioavailability, delivering maximum benefits efficiently.